Is this recording?
Yeah.
Max, you're such a good rider.
I am a rider. Aiden, listen to this, buddy.
Why are you looking at me like that? You smart?
Dat is een Kai in face, wheel spin and other things.
This is my official response to all of you. Saw that there's a bit of a hoopla about this plagiarism thing going on right now. And
not infuriating at all.
oh,
Don't be ridiculous.
The longer we get, the more of a waste of time this feels like. This section.
oh.